we let that one dry.
Okay, we'll do this one over here. It feels tacky, like it's okay. Okay, so this is underneath the sink.
Yeah, where are our sticks?
Oh, you probably need those, don't you? I think we both need to take a little break. Okay. Oh, he doesn't like my pattern.
Well, I'm going to start at this one.
Okay. So this piece is actually going underneath this kitchen sink where the old faucet had dripped and it was nasty under there. So we're replacing the whole floor of the cupboard cabinet, base cabinet.
Yes. And since we've got this material
left over, we thought we'd just make it really nice and he'll just drill 3 holes for the pipes and it will look cool.
you know, our thinking is, well, you know, the countertop looks like this. Well, if you open that cupboard up under the sink, and this is what you see, the effort. So,
Okay.
need to route around the edge.
You let it.
I don't know where you want me to do it. If you're okay here over the carpet.
Garage. I mean, I can vacuum, but you do make a mess. I'm not sure if I want it in the carpet.
My sawhorses are in here. Never can find the on-off switch. Wow.
Close.
I did not get a lot extra on this edge.
So he did a little corner. I painted them and he's going to pin nail those to finish that off before we put the doors on.